In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude a bank transaction in QuickBooks. If you've ever seen a bank feed item that you don't want to add to your books, like a duplicate download or a personal charge, you don't need to delete anything. Excluding the transaction simply removes it from the review list, so it doesn't affect your accounting, while keeping your original bank statement intact. Here's how to do it clearly and safely. Start on the left sidebar of your QuickBooks screen. From there, click All Apps, then choose Accounting. In the Accounting area, select Bank Transactions. This takes you to the list of items that have come in from your connected bank or credit card accounts and are waiting for your review. Menu names can vary slightly depending on your version or recent updates, but the path remains the same. Left sidebar, All Apps, Accounting, then Bank Transactions. Next, locate the transaction you want to exclude. The fastest way is to use the search bar. Type a keyword, an amount, or a fragment of the description you see on your bank statement. Small spelling differences are common, so try a shorter word or just the dollar amount if your first search doesn't pull it up. Make sure you're in the correct bank account tab while searching so you're looking at the right feed. Once you see the transaction in the list, click it to open its details. When the Details panel appears, you'll notice a row of action buttons. Look for the option labeled Exclude. Click Exclude to remove this transaction from the For Review list. If a confirmation message pops up, go ahead and confirm. That's all there is to it. Once excluded, the transaction moves out of your review queue so you can focus on the items that need to be added or matched. A quick note on what you just did. Excluding does not delete the record from your bank. It simply tells QuickBooks not to bring that specific item into your books. That helps prevent duplicates and keeps your register clean. Before you exclude, double-check the date, payee, and amount so you're confident it's the right entry. If you excluded something by mistake, you can revisit the excluded items later and restore it. Excluding won't change your bank balance in QuickBooks because it never posts to your ledger. It just keeps the unwanted item out of your accounting. To recap, you opened the accounting area from the left sidebar, went into Bank Transactions, searched for the item, clicked the transaction, and used the Exclude button. With this approach, your bank feed stays tidy and your financial reports remain accurate.